friends, welcome back to Mr. Justin's Teva class. We are here at Janae outside in our garden, ready to do another fun class. So today, I'm going to teach you about an animal that we haven't really covered yet here in my videos, the rabbits. So this is my friend Benjamin. I'm sure you all remember Benjamin and his brother Joseph. His brother's sleeping over there in the hutch right now, so we're not going to disturb him. And Benjamin here is an albino rabbit. That's a big word. Can you say it with me? Albino rabbit. So an albino means that he lacks melanin in his pigmentation. Those are big words. You don't have to really worry about what they mean right now. It just means that he's white colored. White, which we know in Hebrew is levan. And he's got red eyes instead of the natural eye color for a rabbit. Now, this doesn't affect him at all. It's just his fur color. It's not going to change him. He's not sick or anything. He's a very healthy rabbit. Now, Benjamin is about 2 years old, maybe 2 and a half, and he's a full-grown male rabbit. And a full-grown male rabbit is called a buck, just like with deer. And a full-grown rabbit is a buck, and a full-grown female rabbit is a doe, also like with deer, which is really cool. Now, can you guess what a baby rabbit is called? You would think with the whole deer theme that it would be a fawn or something, but it's not. It's actually a kit, or a kitten. How cute is that, a little baby kitten? But it's a rabbit. And the kittens are born in litters, and the entire litter, the mother rabbit only stays pregnant for about 30 days, which is really fast. So, can you guys tell me, I know you know this word, Benjamin here only eats plants. Do you remember what that word is? It's herbivore. Very good. So herbivores are animals that only eat plants, like fruits and vegetables and different types of grain. Now Benjamin here is on a diet, a very specialized diet that we keep him on so that he doesn't gain too much weight or lose too much weight. He stays at a very perfect, healthy rabbit level, which he is. But he also likes to eat treats, and he gets out here and he munches on leaves sometimes, because it's very important for rabbits to chew on things. You see, rabbits have very big teeth. They actually have 28 teeth. I know you only see the 2 big Bugs Bunny teeth in the cartoon. He's got 28 teeth. And he uses, these teeth always grow. They're continuously growing, so he has to continuously be chewing on things like wood and roots and leaves and things to help wear down the teeth and keep them at a manageable level. So you gotta make sure he gets plenty of time for that. Now you might be thinking that a rabbit is a type of rodent, like a mouse or a rat, but they're not. They're actually their own special family. Come here, Ben. Come. I'm not done yet. Called lagomorphs. And a lagomorph, that's another big word, includes rabbits and hares. Now I know you're probably thinking, Mr. Justin, a rabbit and a hare is the same thing. And they're not. It's actually 2 different animals. A hare has much longer ears and much longer feet, and they live solitary, which means all by themselves. Remember when I said rabbits like live in groups, or herds and warrens? Hares live all by themselves, which is a little sad, but they like it better that way. They don't compete with each other for food as much. It's okay. And the other thing is rabbits are able to be domesticated, which means you can keep them as pets, whereas hares aren't really domesticatable. They're wild animals that need to stay in the wild. Now, Benjamin here is playing with us today because he's a lot more social. He likes people a lot more, which is a little bit different from his brother Joseph, who's kind of shy and doesn't really like being around people all that much, which is okay. Every animal has their own personality. Just like people are different, some people like things like coffee, and some people don't. It's perfectly fine, and each have their own different personality. Every animal has a different personality. Every person has their own personality. Isn't that right? You see his little nose twitching? He's smelling. He's got his big ears up. Means he's listening, and that's a good thing. Remember when I said if his ears are down like this, that means he's scared. If they're up like this, so he's just listening and trying to figure out what's going on. He's got all these whiskers on his face. He doesn't like me touching him. He's got all these whiskers that he uses. There he goes. To identify what's in front of him. You see, rabbits have a little bit of a trouble because their eyes are so far apart that they can't really see what's directly in front of them. They have kind of a wider field of vision. So they've got this little blind spot right in front of them. I know you guys don't really know what Jurassic Park is, but the parents do, and it's pretty much the same thing. Although they will see movement. He's trying to hide under here so that I won't bug him anymore. Yes. Now I'd offer to feed him for you guys, but he doesn't really like eating from people's hands. Animals like to feel safe when they eat, which means he wants to be back home in his little hutch over there where he feels safe before he tries to eat. Because he thinks a predator might come and get him. Which we're not going to hurt him. We like our animals. But another animal, like a fox or a hawk, might try and get to him, so we're going to make sure he's nice and safe and back in his hutch when we're done. Mr. Justin really loved learning about rabbits with you guys today. If you have any questions, Mr. Justin, he loves hearing from you guys. Please stay safe and happy, and come back and see me in Benjamin real soon, okay? Talk to you all, friends.